Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well. Hope you guys are also staying safe. And thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. In today's video, we are going to talk about some fall ready lipsticks that I think you guys are going to like. We are just going to get right into the video, and we're going to start with the one I'm actually wearing right now. This is from Loreal Paris. I love the packaging. Here we go. Kind of a glass packaging detail right there. Love that. This is called Beige in the City. I love this. This has a brownish undertone but very nude as well. It gives your lips a beautiful soft warm finish, and this is the lipstick right there. As you can tell, I have been using this a lot. I worn this so many times, and I used two different lip liners today. This is Chestnut from MAC, and this is also Mahogany from MAC. You can wear this lipstick on its own, or you can go in with whichever lip liner you like. You can even use something brown or maybe something on a neutral base as well. But this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lipstick. Love that. So next we are going to talk about this beautiful lip combo. You guys would have seen this in one of my previous videos. This is Morphe Time Avani Greg. This is called Yes Red. This is a beautiful, beautiful lipstick. And I'm just going to go in with some lip balm, and I'm going to put this on for you guys. This is lovely. Really, really beautiful. And the lip liner matches perfectly together. It came in a combination, and this is the red lipstick right here. Let's put this on. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous lip combination. Again, this is Morphe Time Avani Greg. Beautiful, beautiful red lipstick. And in my opinion, when you are wearing a red lipstick, you have to wear a red lip liner to match. It doesn't make sense you have a red lipstick and you have a black lip liner. Those were back in the days when I was a teenager. And I was just putting anything on my face to look cool. Back in the days, I had no idea about makeup and fashion. I had no clue. But if you want the red lipstick to stand out, it has to be the perfect matching red lipstick. Do not go in with a brown, a black, a chestnut, mahogany. Don't do any of that. It has to be a red lip liner. And again, the most beautiful red lip liner you can find, it's called Fun from Becca. Again, Becca is going out of business, and if you can find that lip liner online, please get it. It is great. This is absolutely lovely. This can be one for the fall. Of course it can. It reminds me of Christmas so much. Lovely, lovely lipstick. This is called Yes Red, and this is from Morphe, and this is Avani Greg. Morphe by Avani Greg. It came in a lip combination. This is absolutely beautiful. Next we are going to talk about this lipstick from NYX, and I like this lipstick because it's very slim, and this is what the packaging looks like. Really nice. This is called Girl Please. Okay, this is a pink lipstick, and the doe foot is quite thin as well, so we are going to put this one on. This is a beautiful, beautiful pink matte lipstick for the fall. And you might be saying to yourself, I can't wear pink for the fall. Of course you can. It has a purple-ish undertone to it, but the pink is not very bright like a bright summer pink lipstick. This is just perfect for the fall. I'm looking at myself through my viewfinder and it's looking a little bit more purple-ish, because it has, like I said, a slight purple undertone. But this is a beautiful pink lipstick from NYX. Girl, please. It's a matte lipstick. It feels really good on, and I like the fact that it's really nice and slim, and it looks really, really, really good on. I like this, and I think this can fit any skin tone. Love this one. I'm going to leave the names of all the lipstick in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick it up. It is lovely. I like it. What do you think? Very, very pretty. So the next one we have here is called Sommet. This is also from NYX. This is another lovely lipstick that would be definitely fall ready. So we are going to put this one on. So this one has a little bit of a metallic look to it. I don't ever wear lipsticks with metallics, but I like this one because the metallics in this one is very subtle. And again, great for the fall, really nice. It's a matte lipstick and I love it. And I am not wearing any lip liner with this one at all. No point going in with chestnut and da-da-da, and no, it doesn't make sense. I think it's going to ruin the lipstick itself, because you can just use the doe foot to line your lips as well to make it look really nice. But I do like this one. I think it's very, very pretty. Not too sticky. Really, really nice. I like that. Very pretty for the fall. Again, this is called Summit, and this is from NYX. Love it. So next we're going to talk about this one here from Burt's Beige. This is called Scarlet Soaked. Love the packaging. There we go. And this is a red lipstick. I mean, feast your eyes on this one. Let's put this on. I have never worn anything from Burt's Beige before. First time with this one. Let's see how this is going to look. Let's try the fun lip liner with this. This is from Becca. Wow, I am impressed with this one. This is a lovely red lipstick, but it has a beautiful, nice, warm, soft shimmer to it. Really pretty. My god, you guys have to get this one. It's called Scarlet Soaked. Beautiful. Oh my god, it feels so good on the lips. Wow, I am really impressed with this one. I mean, my god, look at that. Perfect for the fall, guys. Perfect. Lovely. It feels so beautiful on the lips. Nice and soft, and a really light, lovely shimmer to it as well. I am sold. And it went really well with the fun lip liner from Becca. Really nice. Look at that. Really, really pretty. This is a lovely lipstick from Burt's Beige, and of course I love the packaging because it has like the beehive kind of feature to it. Really lovely. Scarlet Soaked is this one. Really, really pretty. Love that. So next we are going to talk about this one from NYX as well. It's called Beige. And again, nice and slim. A little bit different to this one. Look at the size, you can tell the difference. Okay, this is called Beige. And of course this is a red. Let's just put this on. Beige is pretty, and I'm going in with Fun Lip Liner from Becca. Well, Biker Babe is just cute. Very pretty. Biker Babe. Love it. Ah, my God. Beautiful. I don't even know what to say. It's quite cute. I love it. Makes you just want to sway in the wind. Biker Babe. On a bike and a Harley. Your wig probably flying this way. Behind some dudes. Biker Babe is really cute. Love it. Very, very nice. Don't worry, the name is going to be down below for you guys. Lovely. Lovely. I am so impressed. So impressed. So impressed. So last but not least, I do have another one here from NYX. This one is called Buzzkill. And I think this one has a little bit of a metallic look to it as well. So let's put this one on. This is another beautiful lipstick. This one is called Buzzkill. Very nice. This one again has a little bit of a metallic look to it, but it's again very subtle. Amazing, beautiful, gorgeous lipstick. If you want to go in with a lip liner with this one, like a purple lip liner, something that matches, it's going to look really, really lovely. So pretty. Sommet is another one that I tried on earlier that has a metallic to it. But the lipsticks are beautiful. Sommet, and this one is called Buzzkill. I love Buzzkill. But I gotta tell you, my favorite one is Scarlet Soaked from Burts Beige. I really like this one, and it smells, it has a nice soft smell to it. It smells amazing. Not too strong, not too powerful, really, really, really pretty. But again, Buzzkill, really, really nice, again from NYX. So I'm going to leave the names of all of the lipsticks we talk about today in the description box for you, just in case you guys want to pick up one of these lipsticks for the fall. They are quite beautiful and I love them. So on that note, this is the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video and this lip swatch today. They are going to be listed below for you guys. Sound off below. Let me know your thoughts on this on this lip swatch video today. Lipsticks ready for the fall. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.